Welcome to my channel. What can happen in work or no contact, separated person, thought, mind? What change can happen? Virgo in your life. Let's shuffle and draw the cards. Okay, Ace of Cups. A beautiful card I have. So this card is telling that some kind of good news is coming in your way. Um, I think so. Your no contact person can contact you, and there can be a change in overall situation. Let's see more. Somebody can show strength to contact you, and clarify the Four of Cups. Yes, somebody can show to contact you, but somebody is really very determined to connect with you. It is very clear that this relationship is moving forward very fastly, and yes, somebody has realized that you are sad, you are away, you are disappointed. So some kind of change is definitely coming. Let's see more. Okay, yes, clarify the Eight of Cups. So somebody is disappointed here, and that disappointed phase will going to end, and you will physically, especially physically, you will be very uh, active, you will be very matured, you will be very um, what should I say, the best word is for it, that you will be very sensible physically, you will be very active, and there's a maturity I can see in this overall in your situation, in yourself, and there's a change in your situation, so you will come out from the disappointed, from isolated sad phase, and you will realize so many things. Let's see more. Clarify Wheel of Fortune. And I think so that that this is the best time, so you will catch it, and you know that this is the right time to change it, and so from grassroots level, there will be some kind of change, and you will bring some change very actively. What else? Clarify Six of Pentacles. Yes, I think so that you will clear many things. It can be financial things, it can be some thoughts, it can be some misunderstanding, but you will get justice, and this justice will you will bring this justice, because you will bring some kind of change, and you will have choices what you have to do, and you will choose the right way, and your heart will help you to choose the right way. So as far as your no contact or separated person is concerned, I think something good is going to happen. Maybe you will meet that person again, there can be a reunion, or if you were mistaking somewhere, I think so that you will realize your mistake, and or if your no contact person were wrong, that person will realize something. So I think so that somebody will transform, somebody will switch to another situation, and that will be a very good transformation in your this relationship. Okay, now let's see the message of this reading for you. Don't take stress, be positive, and try to understand the reality of life. Try to see the real faces of people, and try to be mature, and try to make sure that uh, what you are going to do, you have to understand the realities of people of life. This was your reading. If something resonated, please like and subscribe my channel. Thank you so much for watching.